Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys a Redmi mobile setting. Today video title is guys, how to remove lock screen tags in Redmi mobile. Friends, on your Redmi mobile you have lock screen tags and you don't want to show these tags on your lock screen. You want to remove these tags on your lock screen. How to remove tags on lock screen one by one, step by step, and we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. First of all guys, unlock your phone, open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here, open your phone lock screen setting. After turn my phone lock screen setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, scroll down here, open your phone lock screen clock format setting. Lock screen clock friends, you can see lock screen owner info setting. Tap here and remove. After remove friends, click here OK option. Tags will remove on your lock screen friends. You can check your lock screen tags will remove. Your tags will not show on your lock screen. My Redmi mobile tags is not here. I have removed my lock screen tags. So friends, you want to remove your lock screen tags, you don't want to show any tags on your lock screen, so you can remove. And you want to add tags on your lock screen setting, so friends, tap here and you can add tags on your lock screen. Example friends, I will add here good morning. OK option, click here. Friends, if you turn off your lock screen, so friends, you can see when you will on your screen, your tags will show on your lock screen good morning. So friends, you want to add tags on your lock screen, you want to show tags on your lock screen, so you can show tags on your lock screen. And you don't want to show, you want to remove your lock screen tags. Again, open your phone setting. After turn phone setting, open your device lock screen setting, open your phone lock screen clock format setting. Tap here and you can remove your lock screen tags. As you can see, show signature on the lock screen you can use, and you don't want to use, you can remove. OK option, click here. Press lock screen clock format. You want to change your lock screen style, so you can change your lock screen style in your Redmi mobile. Friends, I will change my lock screen style. So friends, you can see lock screen style will change in my Redmi mobile. And friends, you want to on double tap to fake screen setting in Redmi mobile, so you can use Redmi mobile double tap to wake screen setting. So friends, on your double tap to wake, turn off screen setting when device is locked. So friends, when your Redmi mobile screen is locked, double tap screen will on, double tap screen will off. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.